Hello future developers, so welcome to the continuation for tutorial on HTML. So today we'll learn to insert a video on our page. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to clear this document or files or text here, or let me leave it this way, and then I'm going to type my h1 tag. So h1, and then inside it I'm going to type, let me see, so insert in videos. Okay, so I'm going to type insert in videos. Okay, so um here what should I type? Or let me do that for the title. Okay, so the title I can just do learning to insert videos or learning HTML. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the video. So I'll use the less than sign and then I'll type video src. So video space src. So video source so equals quotation comments. So I'm going to search for the video. Okay, so I want to make sure that the video is in the same location as my index file, okay, or my HTML file. So yeah, so I don't have, so I'm going to copy a video into that page. Okay, so paste it here. Okay. So now that it's pasted, okay, so I can search the extension or the name, the full name, and then the extension of my document. So properties, see I have it's a .mp4, and then there's the name AI. So I would have to go to here and then type the full name here. Okay, so ai.mp4. Okay, so the extension is very important. Okay, and I'll refresh this. Okay, so now I have the video inserted. Okay, but we can play it because we don't have controls. Okay, like the play button and pause and the likes. So to be able to do that, let's um click here and then type controls equals. Okay, controls equals, and then inside the quotation mark or comments, I'm going to type controls. Okay, so this is going to give us some controls as the play button and the likes. Okay, for our users to be able to manipulate the video. Okay, so forward slash and then I'll close it to the done sign, or I can take it out. So let's refresh the browser. Okay, so it's refreshed and you can see now how the controls and even the seeking um, bar, okay, and even some zooming icons. Okay, so let's see. I want to work on the width and then the height of the video frame. Okay, so you see that what happened. What we did was it took the entire width of the web page. So now I'm going to define some um, constant size for our video frame. So you can see my width and then my height. So height equals quotation comments and auto, and then the width equals quotation comments and then 300. When I refresh it, you can see now we've resized our video frame. Okay, so I have the play button, have the seeking, and then the numbers. Okay, and then zoom in. So let's try some other options. So here, if I want my video to play once the person visits the site, I'm going to use autoplay. Okay, so autoplay just after the controls or before the controls. So now if I refresh, okay, it's going to play without the user clicking on any of the controls. Okay, so that's using the controls method, sorry, the autoplay. And also we have the loop. So the loop, when the user plays or the video is done playing, it's going to automatically play by itself. Okay, so when I refresh and I play it, I'm just going to put it at the end, and then when it's done playing, it will restart automatically. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, so that's with the autoplay, or sorry, the loop. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now if you watch YouTube videos, you notice that the banner, we have something like a banner ad, or not a banner ad, but you see the video has some very interesting image. Okay, as the banner or the poster or the, yeah. So to do that, we have a property called poster. Okay, so poster equals, and then the quotation comments, I'll put in the name of my image. Okay, that I want it to be something that will entice my users to watch my video. So when I refresh it, you can see we have it inserted. Okay, so that's the poster um, property. Okay. So posters are good to entice or get your users to be able to watch your video. Okay. So I have the loop controls with the dimensions, and then we have the dimensions, height and width, and then we have the poster. Okay. So thank you for watching.